Are you thinking about trying Fundrise but not sure how it works? I invested $1,000 of my own money to test it out, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Fundrise is an app that lets you invest in real estate with as little as $10. You're buying a small piece of a big project, like apartment buildings or office spaces, and you earn money while they make profits. Fundrise offers three main types of investments. The biggest one they're most well known for is real estate, but as of recently, you could also invest in businesses with venture and in private credit. We're going to break down all three of those right now. First is real estate. This is Fundrise's core offering. You invest in physical properties like apartments or offices, earning money through rent and property appreciation. Fundrise might pool your money into a new apartment complex, say, for example, in a growing city. I really like how you can see the breakdown of each investment. So for real estate, it shows you the asset type, such as the building for rent, industrial, multifamily, or etc. Then if you click on it, you could actually see the actual properties you're investing in. And I think this is really cool seeing the physical property because it makes it a lot more tangible and you can see where your investment is actually going into. The next investment option is venture. Here you can invest in startups or early stage companies. It's a bit riskier, but with the company succeeds, you can see a lot higher returns. For example, Fundrise might invest in a tech startup or an innovative product. There's different stages, so in the late stage companies, you might recognize a few of the names like Canva. And lastly, we have private credit. In this option, you lend your money to companies and developers in exchange for interest payments. It's more stable than ventures and the returns are a lot more predictable. So for example, Fundrise might lend to a developer building a new commercial space. Now, here's the cool part. I already made a $1,000 investment into Fundrise to test it out and to see how it performs. The process was very simple. All I did was sign up for the website, put in my portfolio, link my bank account, and click invest. It literally only took about 2 minutes to do so, and my money is already working for me. Once your money is in, Fundrise starts investing in real estate projects for you, like putting your money into real estate piggy bank. But this piggy bank is making money by renting out and selling properties. You get updates on how your investment is doing and you can track your earnings. Out of the $1,000 investment, $640 is into real estate, $200 is into venture, and $160 is into private credit. There's also a pretty nifty tool to see how much your investments can turn into over time. Fundrise is saying if I don't put in any more money than my initial $1,000 investment, it will grow over to $17,000 in 30 years. And this is what the power of compounding can do. Even though it's a long road, your investment has the potential to really grow if you're patient. Before you jump into Fundrise, there are a few things you need to know. And don't worry, I'm gonna keep it very simple. First off, for the fees depend on what you invest in, but Fundrise can typically charge a 1% fee every year. So that means out of a $1,000 investment, that's $10 in fees per year. Secondly, the liquidity. Once you invest, you're expected to hold for at least 5 years, and taking it out can be tricky. After that, let's talk about the returns. On average, you can expect an 8 to 12% return a year, but that's not guaranteed, just like with any other investment. And also the risk. Real estate is unpredictable, so returns may vary depending on market conditions. Now that I put $1,000 into Fundrise, I'm expecting some steady returns over time. It's a great way to add to my real estate portfolio without the huge upfront costs and the headaches that typically come along with investing in real estate. Also, I'm hoping to see some passive income along the way. I'll be tracking my investments and updating you on how it's performing. Keep an eye out for future videos to see if Fundrise is as good as it sounds and whether my investments grows like I expect. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. If you consider trying Fundrise for yourself, be sure to use the link down below in the description or pinned in the comments to earn $25 to $100 for free when you sign up and make your initial investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on follow-up videos of this $1,000 investment. And let me know down below in the comments what other investing apps I should check out next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.